Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic. Thanks for joining me. It's day 11, so we're almost at the end of my 12 days of Christmas crafting. Now today I've seen something on 5 Minute Crafts that I wanted to try, and I'm going to paint these bamboo sticks and tie them together with some lights and hopefully make a Christmas star. So first of all, I am just going to apply some colour. Obviously you could apply any colour you want. I think whitewash would be nice, but I have got a blue Christmas, so I am going to use some of this blue paint, and I do want it to be a bit of a kind of whitewash effect, so I'm not going to cover it completely. I want to leave so you can see the grain underneath, really. You can see that it's some kind of natural wood. So this is just bamboo that I've got from the garden that I'm just going to recycle rather than spend a lot of money on this. So I am trying to keep my 12 days of Christmas a little bit budget friendly for you guys and for myself. So I thought this would be a great way of using up some supplies, something that some of you may have anyway in the garden. So I won't make you watch all of this, but I'm just going to paint these first of all to dry, and then I will be back to assemble. So my sticks are nice and dry. What I'm going to do with these is I am going to repurpose some old decorations. Got some Christmas lights, and I've also got, try and detangle them, this like bead effect. I'm going to wrap the lights and the rest of the decorations around with them. So obviously if you want to just reuse and repurpose, then just use whatever you've got left over, whether it's tinsel, it could be anything, it could be ribbons and so on. Apologies for the fast forward, it was way too difficult to try and do the big sized ones on the floor, so I chopped my little bits in half, and these are about 12 inches long now, and I've just got my star shape, as you can see here. I've got the trusty glue gun out, and I have to say this has been one of my favourites so far this month. It's going to definitely feature in my December something old and something new, because I've not used it for such a long time, but with these Christmas crafts I have used heaps of glue guns. So I am just, as you can see now, just applying some hot glue just in these corners. I just want to try and get the basic shape right, and this is going to be a bit trickier. And then of course I'm going to need to let this sit a little while, just while that sets, and then I can embellish it with some decorations. There we go. Not the most perfect star shape because I didn't make sure every piece was exact, but that's cool. I do still like the effect. And now that's the end pieces are done, I'm just going to put down some glue for these bits in the middle as well. Make sure they're affixed. As you can see, that is my basic star shape, so I'm just going to let that dry a little, and then I will be right back. Okay, so first of all I want to thread my lights. I'm just going to turn these on as I do these, and I'm just going to basically thread these around as best I can, but I'm going to start at the bottom, so I don't have to worry about the battery pack for the lights. Just twisting them around. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm happy with that. It's a bit loose. that is my star done, I think. Let me just turn the lights off and show you the effect. So I'd say this project took me about 30 minutes from start to finish, and obviously depending on what decorations you're going to ornament it with, it's going to give you a completely different effect each time. But I hope you enjoyed that little video, and I'll see you tomorrow for my last one for 12 days of Christmas crafting. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments about this video, please leave them below. I'd love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That way YouTube knows to recommend similar ones for you. And finally, if you'd like to see more from me, and I hope so, please subscribe by clicking the link below. I post new content every weekend.